today they sent me a few houses, and I already uploaded the video, so that's going to be part 1, but this is going to be part 2. They actually sent me just a few more houses to do for the day, so I'm going to go ahead and get those done. We have made it to house number 1. This home just wants exterior photos. Let's go ahead and knock this out. We're going to go ahead and do our photos. They just want 15 with the Zillow. At the last house of the day, they just want exterior photos, so let's go ahead and knock it out. We are done for round 2. Thank you guys for sticking with me. See you in the next video. Bye. We are back with a new video. So today I had 3 houses on the schedule for today. I already went to my first one and they weren't able to be photographed because of access issues. So right now I'm in house number 2. And this home just wants a Zillow floor plan as well as photos. So let's go ahead and get started on. So I'm at my last house, and this house wants Zillow and photo. We are wrapping it up for today. See you soon. When you're photographing a house, I think it's super important to go around the house first, to turn on all the lights, make sure all the windows are open, make sure the toilet seats in the bathroom are closed because no one wants to see that. And I also like to set up my camera, my tripod, my light, and everything before I get started so that I can just brush through the house. I'm gonna go ahead and walk through how I set up my tripod. This is my tripod here. It's something that I got off of Amazon. I can leave that link below. But I start by opening the bottom to make it tall enough. So, legs. I like to keep my camera pretty much at the same height in every single room except maybe the kitchen so that you can get a little above child level view in the kitchen and in the bath. This tool here is a laser measuring tool. Another important step when you are photographing real estate is to make sure that you have a flash, because flash is going to help the room look brighter, the room look bigger and more spacious. To connect your flash to your camera, you need an adapter. This part here goes on the hot shoe part of your camera, and this is going to trigger your flash to go off whenever you press the shutter button. These are smaller flashes, but they do have a bigger strobe light, which you see me use in the studio all the time. I'll put a clip of what a studio light looks like here. The difference is pretty much this is more portable, on the go. They don't have as much power as the big one. I recently purchased the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and I want to go ahead and test the microphone that it comes with. If you're a creator, if you're a photographer, or if you're just getting into video, I think the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, after just having it for a month, is a very good buy. In this clip here, you hear me with the mic already connected and it sounds beautiful. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is disconnect and record another clip just so we can see the difference. And then you tell me in the comments, is it worth it just for the sound quality and a provided mic in the Creator Combo Kit? You let me know. I've officially disconnected the sound and we are just here with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. With the microphone attached and the actual dead cat, which will reduce any background noise, I think this is an amazing addition. Don't sleep on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Just this alone is a magnificent addition to the Creator Combo Kit, and I think anybody who has it is going to be lucky. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.